started. We will start up all the birds that need to be started. We will go fetch me the Hubsan Zeno app. There it is. Excellent, ready to go. Awesome. We are a go on all systems. Systems a go. Let's make sure that this is a little further out so that it doesn't destroy anything else. And we are up in the air. Let's go. Up we go. Gimbal downage is going to be essential at this point. We're going to go up and gimbal down. There it is. We're ready to do the follow mode. Follow mode, active track, understood, and we should be ready to go. Except it's not tracing it because I haven't traced it yet. So let's trace it. Tracing it right now. It's got it. We're a go. So now all we have to do is get the DJI Mini up and we're ready to fly. Double check battery on
takeoff.
Unlock.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
We are good, ready to go. Oh, it lost the track. Lost the track. Let's try that again. Trace it, man. Trace it. Struggling with the trace. It's got it. Try it again. Let's go. It's got the trace, no problem. Looks like we're a go. Pretty fun, guys. How much battery do we have on the remote? We've got 42. That's good. Just go out a little bit. Run a little tour here. Don't go too far. It's got to be line of sight all the way. So we'll take it easy. And we're just touring and cruising. It is great, but we've lost the trace. So we're gonna bring DJI home first, real quick. DJI's on his way. Here comes DJI. All the way. We're gonna go real fast this time. Coming right at me. Here it goes. Take it easy, turn around, and safely descend to a little halt here. Here we go. DJI's ready to land. Okay, DJI, come on down. DJI is done. Awesome. Perfectly grounded and